Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your feedback collection with SurveyMonkey step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. If you don't have an account, please create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Survey button. Choose the type of survey you want to create. Select a template or start from scratch. After selecting a template, edit the survey title. Add relevant questions tailored to your feedback needs. To enhance security, click on the Settings tab. Enable the Response Limits feature to restrict responses. Consider setting up password protection for sensitive surveys. This ensures only authorized users can access the survey. Next, review the Collect Responses section. Choose how you want to distribute the survey. For secure collections, it's best to use email invitations. Add your email list carefully. Then, customize the survey invitations if necessary. Make sure to review the response collection settings. Enable anonymity if you wish to keep responses confidential. Test the survey by sending it to yourself first. Check if all questions are displayed correctly. Make adjustments as needed based on the test responses. Once satisfied, go ahead and send the survey to your audience. Monitor responses through the Analyze Results section. Explore the different analysis tools available to you. Finally, take action based on the feedback received. This systematic approach will help secure your feedback collection using SurveyMonkey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.